Hello Mighties, in this episode of The Mighty Show. Top 20 interesting facts about the Earth that you probably didn't know about. But first things first, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Without a further ado, let's begin. Number 1. The ground you're walking on is recycled. Earth's rock cycle transforms igneous rocks to sedimentary rocks to metamorphic rocks and back again. Number 2. Earth's moon looks rather dead and inactive. But in fact, moonquakes, or earthquakes, on the moon, keep things just a bit shook up. Quakes on the moon are less common and less intense than those that shake Earth. Number 3. The largest earthquake to shake the United States was a magnitude 9.2 temblor that struck Prince William Sound, Alaska, on Good Friday, March 28, 1964. Number 4. The fiery award for Earth's hottest spot goes to El Azizia in Libya, where temperature records from weather stations reveal it hit 136 degrees Fahrenheit or 57.8 degrees Celsius. Number 5. Winter temperatures in Antarctica can drop below -100 degrees Fahrenheit, or 73 degrees Celsius, making it the coldest chilling place on the Earth. Number 6. Because our globe isn't a perfect sphere, its mass is distributed unevenly. An uneven mass means slightly uneven gravity. Number 7. Over the past 20 million years, our planet has settled into a pattern of a pole reversal about every 200,000 to 300,000 years. As of 2012, however, it has been more than twice that long since the last reversal. Number 8. And the title for tallest mountain goes to either Mount Everest or Mauna Kea. The summit of Mount Everest is higher above sea level than the summit of any other mountain, extending some 29,029 feet, or 8,848 meters high. However, when measured from its true base to summit, Mauna Kea takes the prize, measuring a length of about 56,000 feet, or 17,170 meters. Number 9. Earth may once have hit 2 moons. A teensy second moon spanning about 750 miles 1,200 kilometers wide may have orbited Earth before it catastrophically slammed into the other one. This titanic clash may explain why the two sides of the surviving lunar satellite are so different from each other. Number 10. Rocks can walk on Earth, at least they do at the pancake flat lake bed called Racetrack Playa in Death Valley. There, a perfect storm can move rocks, sometimes weighing tens or hundreds of pounds. Number 11. May 8, 1978, climbers Reinhold Messner and Peter Habeler became the first to summit Everest without the aid of oxygen. Messner described his feelings upon reaching the top like this: "I am nothing more than a single narrow gasping." Number 12. To find the world's longest mountain range, you'd have to look down, way down. Called the Mid-Ocean Ridge, the underwater chain of volcanoes spans some 40,389 miles, or 65,000 kilometers. Number 13. Coral reefs support the most species per unit area of any of the planet's ecosystems, rivaling rainforests. And while they are made up of tiny coral polyps, together coral reefs are the largest living structures on Earth, a community of connected organisms with some visible even from space. Number 14. How low can you go? The deepest point on the ocean floor is 35,813 feet, or 10,916 meters below sea level in the Mariana Trench. Number 15. The lowest point on land, however, is relatively accessible. It's the Dead Sea between Jordan, Israel and the West Bank. The surface of this super salty lake is 1,388 feet, or 423 meters below sea level. Number 16. We're not kidding. In Cameroon and on the border of Rwanda and the Democratic Republic of the Congo, there are 3 deadly lakes: Nyos, Manan and Kivu. All 3 are crater lakes that sit above volcanic Earth. Magma below the surface releases carbon dioxide into the lakes, resulting in a deep, carbon dioxide-rich layer right above the lake bed. That carbon dioxide can be released in an explosion, asphyxiating any passers-by. Number 17. It used to be purple. Well, life on early Earth may have been just as purple as it is green today. Ancient microbes might have used a molecule other than chlorophyll to harness the sun's rays. one that gave the organisms a violet hue. Number 18. The Earth's continents are thought to have collided to become supercontinents and broken apart again several times in Earth's 4.5 billion year history. The most recent supercontinent was Pangaea. Number 19. As there's no atmosphere in the space, that's why special suits are used, else the space would boil all the liquids from your body until it bursts out into tiny pieces. This may take some 2 to 3 minutes to rip you apart. Last but not least, number 20. Indicates having the largest population means having maximum usage of commodities, which led the country to emit a large amount of pollution which is visible from the space.